So we have performed the two pre-processing steps, that is tokenization and the sequence padding. Now this is the final data, and we will pass this data to the neural network. But before that, we need to understand that even though the document is already converted into numbers, right? A document is already converted into a sequence of numbers. But these numbers do not represent the actual representation of the tokens. These are just randomly provided as a unique identifier. These are not an actual representation of the tokens. So before passing the data to the neural network, we will pass this data to this embedding layer. Okay. And this embedding layer will actually convert each and every token into vector. Okay. It will convert each and every token into a vector. Now, this vector length is actually decided by the developer. It's a hyperparameter. Okay. So let's say the output vector length we have decided as 3. So the first two tokens are 0 tokens. So they will be just, 0, 0, 0. That's it. So the first token, which is 0, will be represented by a vector 0, 0, 0. Second token is also a 0, will be represented by a vector 0, 0, 0. And the remaining tokens, they will also be represented by a vector length of 3. But now the question is, from where are we getting these values? So these values are learned in the process of backpropagation. Initially, we take the random values, but in the process of backpropagations, these values are updated. Okay, and these values, these vectors, are the accurate representation for each and every token. Okay, these vectors are the accurate representation for each and every token. Okay, so guys, that is the use of the embedding layer. Okay, now this is your data. This is one single document, as you can see, and this document is two-dimensional data. Okay, it's a two-dimensional data, and we have to pass this data to the dense layer. So we'll see that in the next video.